Hello everyone. So I have my MacBook and there is a slight issue like when we are trying to start the system, it is not working and it is also giving an error of the battery. So but it can be work on the charger. So today we are going to change the battery and we got the battery from this company. That's the easy-ASMARK battery and it has a lot of good reviews on the Amazon, and I will also show which things are available inside this box. So let's begin with this one. So we got this kit from Amazon. It has like replacement for MacBook, and this is there for like 2016 till 2020 model. So you can buy it on Amazon. There is a replacement kit inside and with a catalog as well. So we have this one over here. We will see which parts we have inside this one. So let's go. We already wear the gloves, so this is like the for the opener on the edges of the MacBook back cover, and this is for, I hope so, this is for the battery. Under the battery there is sort of loop, and here we have a pair of gloves. We are not gonna use this, we have already the gloves with us, and this is for the keyboard protection. And once we will open the MacBook, we will place this over the keyboard. Before that, and this is for the battery power connector cord, where we will place this one, and these are two also for the battery removal as well. We will see in the next step as well. Here's dear customer, firstly we deeply honor and sincerely appreciate your choice, trust in ASMARK. This is to assist you in smoothly completing the battery installation of MacBook. We understand that all battery required alcohol 70% for removal. Given the transportation constraint of alcohol over 70%, we are offering a compensation of $10 to support your purchase of the required alcohol from a store. So they have to send the alcohol as well from for removing the battery. So they just gave us the $10 discount in the if we order the alcohol from here. So this is in the French language as well. So I think so we will need this if we will borrow or order the alcohol. Okay, so this is the product manual as well. This is the shipping detail and the product specification inside. I don't think so we need to know. So there is no setup required. After the battery is installed, turn on the MacBook and use it. It shows that charging is required. Please connect the power adapter and turn it on after 5 minutes of charging. So this is a sort of catalog thing, and here is the main step-by-step things. So this is for the MacBook Pro 13-inch 2016, 2017, 2019, 2020, and the model is also written over here. So battery replacement installation guide, time to complete 60 minutes. We need like 1 hour as to install. There is a barcode. We can see the video as well. And so here is the step-by-step. So let's we are not finished with the things which we found inside the box, so we will just keep this on the side, but we will start with this one. Okay, so this is the box again, and it has this one is for the section of the cover from the back side to suck the cover outside, and these are small 2 screwdriver. We will use this for the replacement of battery or opening the MacBook. These are the 2 are also included. And here is a small pen thingy which is used to remove these small you can see these thing over here to eject or insert inside the MacBook. So we don't take the battery out now, we will take the battery out later from the box. We need this one, and we need the screwdriver right now, and also we need this one, and we don't need this one right now as we are also wearing the gloves, so we will place the gloves on the side. And this is the small thingy we will place on the side, and this is for the battery. Right now we don't need this one, so we will place on the side as well. And let's begin with opening of the MacBook. So you can see I opened the MacBook, but it's not working, it is not turning it on. So let's begin with the battery. So this is the protective cover we have to place over the keyboard because there is some sort of pressure from the back side when we are trying to open the MacBook. So this is the step one. We already did the step one. You can see we place the cover over here. So they did this side to protect keyboard, and then we have to close the cover. Make sure it will go all the way toward the down, so there will be no debris, no goes inside the screen or keyboard when we are doing this. So the step 2 is to open the cover. So we will now open the cover. Oh. So I have a small protection on the back side to protect my MacBook by breaking or scratches. First of all, I will remove this as it will also like increase the timeline of the video, but right now we don't need this. Make sure you are putting the pressure over on top as well. So there are 2 screwdrivers, so don't get messed. We need the green or the blue one to open these outside screws. Before that, I can just get a magnet for this. So this is for the small screws, or we also have the magnet over here, so we can use this as to open this. Okay, so due to high magnetic force, the bolts already attach with the magnet. If we don't, we can use this magnet to take it out. Okay, I know it's out of focus, but this is the magnet I'm using. Just make sure like the screws are not going anywhere. So always be careful about these small stuff. These can go anywhere. This also helps for not getting like the stud to stuck inside the stud. So the okay. We will also try to clean inside the MacBook if it is like so much dirty. Okay. So we have two screwdrivers. This is P5 and it is not written over here, but it can be written on the description. But this is the blue in color and this is the star. So star and blue in color P5 screwdriver. And this is for inside. So we completed our step 2 to open all the screws, I hope so. And now we will begin to the step 3. The step 3 is to, you can see, take this one on the side, but before that we have to place this one to do the section. So we will place this one over here, and so as you guys can see, I can just move a little bit for your reference to see. Yeah, this will gonna helpful for you guys to watch how I did it. So yeah, this one is good. So for this we can just autofocus, take a little bit out, you can see. So just do it like gently. Okay, you can hear a sound of the stud which can open all the way back. Now we can just remove this. Okay, and now we will do it from the other side. Just do it gently. Okay, now I'll remove this one and place it over here, back to the middle. And just take this cover to upside. Okay, and plug this cover out like this. We have to eject toward outside. This is like a clip which is inserted inside. Have to do like this, gently, very gently, and we have to do like this from the other side as well. Okay, so you guys can see the back cover. Okay, back cover which we remove. So I think so there might be two common fault I just saw inside the MacBook. There are like a small things you can see as well. So now we gently have to remove these things. It is already removed. I'm not sure why, but it is. This shouldn't be removed. This should be on the place over here like this. Now we need the pen. So for this we will use the pen. Where is the pen? Okay. So here is the pen, and so you can see I just removed the small clips over here. I just need to take this is the step 7 I am doing. So I already removed this one. I'm not sure why everything is like too much here and there. Now we will just place this thing out. I just already did like from one side, and now okay, so just remove it gently from here, and then we have to remove the screw, the big screw, which we are using the green screwdriver to remove the screw from here. Okay, and now with the help of this one, we also remove this one over here, the battery. Sorry. Okay, so this is not the battery. This is for the base of the touch panel. So just remove carefully. Do not break this. As you guys can see, this is like the damage on the battery inside. So just make sure it is fine. Don't. Okay. Now with the help of this scraper, I'm gonna remove this thing there. I think so it's most of it is just glue with the tape, because I just purchased this laptop from a second hand, and I will use this thing. Okay, from here. And for this one I will probably need the other thing. Okay, so gently remove the battery from here, because there is a sensitive bottom for the keypad. So just remove the, you can see this battery is totally like not working. This is also rough from this side as well. It is totally like burnt or heat up. So just place this battery on the side, and then we have to remove these two as well. And now we are gonna clean this thing. So now we are gonna do the cleaning on all the surface. So we already cleaned this space as much as we can. Now we are gonna place the batteries. Just handle the battery very carefully when you are bringing the battery toward the pad or here, because we also need the exact size to be here, which should be placed before the battery to be inserted. Okay, so just make sure everything will be in the perfect space. Okay, this should be here, this should be here on the perfect space. It's because these small things matters a lot. Now we will insert the first